Why would I even defend you if you're calling me gago? As a commissioned officer of the Philippine Coast Guard, being a spokesperson, calling me mangmang, not knowing what I'm saying.
But actually, if you will read that context,
How was I even
the act
defend you?
of doing it
Sorry,
is the one that is gago,
siya.
di ba? Yung ganon, not necessarily the person eh. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, kung kinurek mo man lamang yun, because it continue to be there in the social media, Mr. Chair, yun ang nakakasama sapagkat people, no, hindi ko naman sinabi talaga yun. Mamamatay siya because it came from you. Pero pag hindi mo sinabi at you continue to be silent, akala ng tao, sinabi mo. So that is the problem, Mr. Chair. And I think we are hearing this in order to correct the misconception and misinformation because it continues to spread. If you get the point. Tumutol, Mr. Chair.
Ay dahil nalaman ko lamang po itong balita na ito na nag-spread siya nung nagpa-interview po kayo na ginagago niyo po ako. As a human being, how would I defend somebody na ginagago po ako sa public interview?
Mr. Chair, kung titingnan mo yung konteksto ng pagkakasalitaan, hindi ikaw ang ginagago. Ikaw ang ginagago. Ang sinasabi ko rito, let us defend our own nang hindi tayo nagiging gago o kaya nagiging emotional. It's actually hindi sa tao eh, kung hindi yung act na halimbawa wala tayong ginawa o kaya